Today we will start with the quadrilaterals. So let us first study the basic elements of a quadrilateral. Here you can see in your figure, I've drawn a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Quadrilateral means four sides. It can be a square, rectangle, rhombus, kite, trapezium, anything. General term is quadrilateral. So quadrilateral has got four sides. Which are the four sides? The four sides are A, B, comma B, C, C, D and DA or AD. You can write anything. You can write DA, you can write AD. You will write AB, you can write BA. You have studied that segments can be named in any of the two ways. Okay. So these are the four sides. Then they have got four angles also. Which are the four angles? We have angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Now how to name the angle? Now angle A can also be written as angle DAB or angle BAD. Now note over here that these three refer to the same angle. Okay? Angle A और ये देखो DAB or BAD. Okay? That is this angle. Either you have DAB or you have BAD or you write simply A. All three means the same. So you have got four sides and you have got four angles. Then you have got two diagonals. This is one diagonal and this is one diagonal. These are known as diagonals. Okay? This is the quadrilateral I am drawing. Now what are the diagonals? Let us write down the name of the diagonals. How many diagonals are there? There are two diagonals. Which are they? AC and BD. Suppose if I name this point at O. So the diagonals are intersecting in point O. What is O? O is the point of intersection of diagonals. What is O? O is the point of intersection of diagonals. Okay? Then, clear? You have understood sides, you have understood angles, you have understood diagonals. Now, going ahead, we will study something more. A, B, C and D. Now, we have studied there are four sides. Now let us see what do you mean by adjacent sides. Now the sides which are having a common vertex. For example, here this AD and BC. Okay, AD and AB, they are joined at A, so they are adjacent sides. So AD and AB, this is one pair. Then you can have AB and BC. You can also have BC and CD. Then you can have CD and AD. They are pairs of adjacent sides. क्यों adjacent? Because ये जुड़े हुए हैं. See, अभी AD और BC, they are not joined. I will not call that as adjacent sides. But there are four pairs of adjacent sides. Clear? Now we will see the opposite sides. Again the same name, A, B, C and D. Now opposite sides are not joined to each other. Opposite sides. Now here this AD and BC, they are opposite. AD and BC. And then you have this AB and CD. AB and CD. So these are the only two pairs of opposite sides. These are the only two pairs of opposite sides. Okay? Clear? So these are adjacent sides and opposite sides. Now, let us have opposite angles A, B, C and D. Now here you have this A and C. These are opposite angles. These are opposite angles. So angle A and angle C. Then you have angle B and angle D. इनको क्या बोलेंगे? They are opposite. एक दूसरे के सामने हैं. Okay? These are opposite angles. And last we will see adjacent angles. A, B, C and D. Now these two angles, now adjacent angles. So angle A and angle B, they are adjacent. Then angle B and angle C are adjacent. Then angle C and angle D are adjacent. And angle D and angle A, they are adjacent. मतलब ये देखो यहाँ पे A and B, B and C, these are adjacent angles. Clear? How do you come to know what are adjacent angles? You have to simply see this. See this angle A and B, they are joined with the help of a line. So this is adjacent angles. Okay? That's it.